Some days by the water start with a towel and end with sand in every pocket, a dead phone, and a cooler that gave up before lunch. Fortunately, a new wave of clever gear is quietly solving the little problems that tag along with every beach trip. These handy finds can turn an ordinary day by the shore into a much smoother escape. Number 15. Sport-Brella Beach Umbrella. Okay, so this one isn't your grandpa's beach umbrella. It tilts, it bends, it blocks SPF 50 rays, and the best part, it doesn't need you sitting there holding it down every 5 seconds when wind picks up. The vented canopy design means gusts pass through instead of yanking it out of the sand. You get shade on 3 sides too, not just overhead, which honestly matters more than people realize once the sun starts moving. If you've ever chased an umbrella down the beach in front of 40 strangers, you already know why this upgrade is worth it. Grab it, thank me later. Number 14. CGEAR Sand-Free Multimat. Sand in your bag. Sand in your snacks. Sand somehow inside your car 3 days later. This mat solves that with a patented weave that lets sand fall straight through and disappear underneath, so the surface stays clean no matter how much chaos your kids bring onto it. It's lightweight, folds down small, and dries fast if it gets wet. Compare that to a regular towel that just collects everything and turns into a gritty mess by hour 2. This is one of those products that sounds too simple to work until you actually try it and realize you've been doing beach days wrong this whole time. Number 13. JOTO Waterproof Pouch. Here's a fear every beachgoer shares: dropping your phone in salt water. This little pouch kills that anxiety completely. It's rated for full submersion, the touchscreen still works through the film, and you can literally take photos underwater with it on. Price is stupidly low for what it does. I've seen people pay hundreds for a waterproof phone when this $5 sleeve does the exact same job for a beach trip. Slip your phone in, seal the top, clip it to your bag strap, and stop babysitting your device every time a wave rolls in a little too close. Number 12. Coleman Cooler Backpack. Carrying a hard cooler across sand for half a mile is a workout nobody signed up for. Switch to this backpack cooler and suddenly the walk to your spot isn't a battle. It holds up to 42 cans, keeps ice solid for a full day, and the padded straps mean your shoulders aren't wrecked by the time you sit down. There's even a front pocket for your keys and sunscreen so you're not digging through melted ice to find them. Basically, it turns lugging supplies into just walking with a backpack, which is exactly the energy you want before a beach day even starts. Number 11. BLAVOR Solar Power Bank Charger. Beach outlets don't exist, but the sun sure does, so why not use it? This power bank charges off sunlight while it's clipped to your bag, and it's built rugged enough to survive drops, dust, and splashes without flinching. It's not going to fully juice your phone from sun alone in an afternoon, but paired with a normal charge before you leave, it stretches your battery life way past what a regular power bank gives you. Number 10. MaxSport's Collapsible Wagon. Multiple trips from the car to your spot is a rookie mistake. This wagon carries everything in one halt: cooler, chairs, umbrella, kids' toys, all of it, and folds down flat enough to fit in a trunk when you're done. The big wheels roll over sand way better than you'd expect from something this affordable. Watch any experienced beach family and you'll notice they're not making 5 trips back and forth, they've got one of these. It's not flashy, it's not high-tech, but it might genuinely save your back more than anything else on this list. Number 9. OPOLAR Misting Fan. Regular fans just push hot air around, which honestly does nothing when it's 90 degrees out. This one sprays a fine mist while it blows, so you actually feel the temperature drop instead of just hearing a fan buzz uselessly. It runs on rechargeable battery, refills with a simple water tank, and is small enough to clip onto a stroller, chair arm, or bag. If you've ever sat under an umbrella still sweating through your shirt, this closes that gap fast. Number 8. Jikopower. The Jikopower Spark is a mini beach gadget that turns heat from a fire into electricity, letting you charge your phone or other small devices when you're off the grid. So if you're camping, hiking, or preparing for emergencies, it provides a simple way to stay connected without relying on wall outlets or solar panels. By converting fire into usable power, the Spark combines outdoor cooking and emergency charging into one portable tool, making it a handy companion for adventurers and survival enthusiasts alike. Number 7. Mighty Sink. This portable sink makes cleanup easy wherever you go. It holds 2 gallons of clean water and 2 gallons of used water, letting you fill, wash, and drain without needing plumbing. Designed for camping, RVs, van life, outdoor events, and kids' hand-washing stations, it fits neatly into small spaces but requires a 22-inch by 17-inch countertop area. The rechargeable faucet provides a gentle, water-saving stream, while the package also includes useful accessories. Number 6. WhiteFang Sun Shelter. An umbrella blocks the sun from one angle. This tent blocks it from every angle, including the sides, which matters a lot once the sun shifts through the afternoon. Setup takes under a minute with the pop-up frame, no tools, no fighting with poles. It's got UPF 50+ protection built into the fabric and enough room for a small family to actually lie down inside if a nap happens. Number 5. Kelsyus Original Canopy Chair. This one has a built-in adjustable canopy attached directly to the frame, so shade moves with you instead of you moving to find shade. It reclines into 4 positions, comes with a side pocket for your phone and drink, and folds up compact enough to carry with one hand. If you've ever repositioned your umbrella 11 times trying to keep the sun off your face while lying in a chair, this solves that annoyance permanently. Simple design, but genuinely smart when you actually sit in it. Number 4. Earth-packed waterproof dry bag. Phones, wallets, car keys, clothes, none of that belongs anywhere near open water, but you still need to bring it to the beach. This dry bag seals with a roll-top closure that keeps everything bone dry even if it gets fully dunked. It floats too, so if it slides off a boat or paddleboard, it's not gone forever. Comes in multiple sizes depending on how much gear you're hauling. Anyone who's ruined a wallet or ID from a rogue wave knows exactly why this earns a spot. Number 3. GoPro Hero 12 Camera. If you actually want footage of the waves, the jumps, the underwater moments, your phone camera just isn't built for it. This camera is waterproof without a case up to 10 meters, shoots insanely stabilized video even while you're moving, and survives drops and saltwater exposure way better than a phone ever will. It's pricier than everything else on this list, sure, but if beach trips are a recurring thing for you, not a one-off, this pays for itself in memories you'd otherwise never capture. Number 2. Elements Summer Shower. Nobody wants to sit in a hot car covered in sand and salt for the ride home. This portable shower bag heats water using sunlight throughout the day, then gives you a decent pressure rinse when you're ready to pack up. Hang it from a tree, umbrella pole, or car door, and you've got a real outdoor shower without needing an actual facility nearby. It holds several gallons, which is enough for a full rinse-off for 1 or 2 people. Small detail, huge difference, showing up home clean instead of dragging half the beach into your car seats. Number 1. Seaview Snorkel Mask. Traditional snorkels make breathing feel like a chore and fog up constantly. This full-face mask changes that completely. You breathe normally through your nose and mouth like you're just standing there, while the wide lens gives you a full 180-degree view underwater instead of the narrow tunnel vision old-school masks give you. It even has a mount for an action camera if you want to film what you're seeing in real time. Anti-fog tech keeps the view clear the entire session too. So that's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.